Kia ora. Welcome to Edge Learning. In this video we're going to have a look at using Assay as an HOD.
If we come into Wizard, for this demo we're going to have a look at a full year's worth of data, so we're going to look at 2016 data. We can come into HOD, and in this demo we're going to look at the mathematics department. We can come and have a look at the whole department, split up by subject, and we can have a look at what credits have been gained so far. What this allows us to do is it allows us to see the number of excellence, which is brown, merit, which is yellow, achieved, which is blue, and not achieved credits, which is red, gained in each of these courses. This allows us to very quickly get a quick snapshot of which courses are doing well and which ones aren't. We can see that this Maths 111 course stands out, which is our extension Maths course. The other thing we can do is, instead of just looking at the raw credits, we can go and have a look at the credit distribution. What this shows us is it shows us the number of credits gained by each student in that course. Changes from red to blue when we go from less than 14 to 14 or more credits, because we want students to be getting 14 or more credits in each of their subjects. We can see that our Year 10 Maths students, who just do one standard, are all red because all of them have got less than 14 credits. We can also see our Maths 111 course, there's only 3 students here that didn't get the 14 or more credits. The other courses that really stand out are the Maths 102 course, which is our alternative level 2 maths course, and our Maths with Calc 301 course. We might want to do a little bit more digging into this Maths with Calc 301 course, so what we're going to do is come back to the main menu, Wizard, HOD, Maths, and this time we just want to have a look at an individual course. We want to look at this Maths with Calc 301 course, and we want to split this up by gender. And again, we'll have a look at that distribution of credits. So looking at that, we've got a 50% pass rate for both the boys and the girls. So it's not as if the boys or the girls are affecting the pass rate in level 3 calculus. So instead of splitting by gender, we might want to have a split by ethnicity. So if we look at this, we've got European students sitting just over 50% pass, Māori students sitting on 50% pass, bearing in mind that there is only 6 Māori students in there, and just under 50% pass for our Asian students. So it doesn't appear that ethnicity is playing a part in it either. The other thing we could then come and do is we could split by teacher. So if we're looking at the 2 different classes here, this class here appears to have done slightly better than this class, but there's not a huge difference in the 2 classes. Both classes are still doing well below where we would expect our top level 3 students to be performing. So what can be really useful at this point is, instead of displaying this as a bar graph, we can display this as a students table. What this allows us to see is it allows us to see all of the students and where they fit in terms of the number of credits they got. What we can then do is we can look up each of these students and see if there's anything in particular about them that was causing them not to get 14 credits. Or if it was earlier in the year where we can be providing them with some extra support, these were the students that we'd be able to target. What we did in this particular case is we looked up a large number of these students, and these students were actually students who didn't meet the criteria to get into Maths with Calc 301, but we were nice to them at the start of the year, so we say, and let them in, which was just setting them up for failure. So this year we've been much more strict in and around the entry criteria to get into Year 13 calculus.
Thanks for watching.